In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put your HTML website online in just a few minutes using Hostinger's platform. So, whether you're a beginner or have dabbled in web development before, this guide will help you take that crucial step toward having your very own website live on the internet. First, what you want to do is head over to Hostinger. Open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the main page of Hostinger. If you've never used Hostinger before, you might want to take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. It's designed to be user-friendly, making it easy to navigate even if you're new to web hosting. Once you've landed on the homepage, the next step is to find the option to add a new website. Look for the Add Website button, which is usually quite prominent. Clicking on this will take you to a list of options on how you can set up your site. This is where Hostinger stands out, offering various options based on your needs. But today, we are focusing on getting an HTML website live, so you'll want to select the custom PHP HTML website option. This choice is perfect for those who have a site already built and just need a place to host it online. Now, let's talk a bit about why you might want to go with a custom PHP HTML option. This is particularly useful if you're looking for a more hands-on approach, especially if you're comfortable tweaking code here and there. It doesn't limit you to templates, giving you flexibility and control over your website's functionality and design. At this point, it might be helpful to have your HTML files handy so you'll be ready to upload them once your hosting environment is set up. Now, going back to our process, once you've selected the custom PHP HTML website option, you'll be guided through several prompts to set everything up. Hostinger does a great job of streamlining this, providing clear instructions in case you get lost. You'll be asked to upload your HTML files, so make sure you know where they are stored on your computer. Simply follow the on-screen prompts to navigate through the file selection process. After your files are uploaded and everything is set, Hostinger will handle the rest. They'll get your site live, ensuring it's hosted properly. It's really that simple. You should see your HTML website live in a matter of minutes. Keep in mind that while the basic process is straightforward, there might be additional settings or tweaks you'd want to make to customize your site further, such as setting up your domain, email, and other configurations, which Hostinger provides comprehensive support for. So, there you have it. In just a few easy steps, your HTML website can be up and running on Hostinger. This is an excellent way to get your project or business online swiftly, allowing you to focus on what you do best, creating great content. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy web hosting tips.